Journaling for growth. Reflect, evolve, and flourish. In a world that moves at lightning speed, with countless distractions and demands, finding time for self-reflection can seem nearly impossible. Yet, amidst this chaos, journaling stands as a quiet, powerful tool for growth. It offers us a space to slow down, to hear our own thoughts, and to gain clarity on our lives. Journaling isn't merely about recording events, it's about deepening self-awareness, discovering insights, and evolving toward our best selves. Let's explore how journaling can become your secret weapon for personal growth, a means to reflect, evolve, and ultimately flourish. Step 1. Reflect, the foundation of growth. At its core, journaling is a practice of reflection. Taking time to put thoughts onto paper allows us to pause and examine our experiences with a fresh perspective. Through journaling, you can process emotions, track patterns in your behavior, and explore your reactions to various situations. Consider how you felt about recent events or interactions. Were there emotions or thoughts you didn't fully understand at the time? By revisiting these moments, you may find new insights. Often, the simple act of writing things down helps to clarify what's happening within us, and it can reveal aspects of ourselves that we might otherwise overlook. Step 2. Cultivating self-awareness, uncovering the real you. Journaling is a mirror reflecting back our authentic selves. It's a judgment-free space where you can confront fears, ambitions, strengths, and vulnerabilities. Self-awareness is the foundation of personal growth, and journaling offers the perfect space to deepen it. By regularly examining your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors, you can start to notice recurring patterns and themes in your life. Ask yourself, what does this reaction say about me? Why do I feel this way? Over time, you may begin to see how certain beliefs, biases, or habits shape your responses. This awareness empowers you to take control of your life, allowing you to break free from old patterns and make decisions that align with your true self. Step 3. Setting intentions and goals, turning reflection into action. Journaling isn't just a place to reflect on the past, it's also a powerful tool for shaping the future. By setting intentions and goals within your journal, you are more likely to stay focused and committed. Writing down your goals not only helps you clarify what you want but also keeps you accountable to yourself. Consider your long-term vision and short-term goals. What do you want to achieve in the coming days, months, or years? By articulating these aspirations, you're taking the first step toward making them a reality. Journaling helps keep your goals at the forefront of your mind, turning your dreams into concrete, actionable steps. Step 4. Emotional release, healing through words. Journaling can be an emotional outlet, offering a safe place to process and release feelings we may struggle to express aloud. Whether it's anger, sadness, or frustration, putting these emotions on paper can be incredibly freeing. It allows you to unload emotional weight and gain a healthier perspective on challenging situations. Think of journaling as a form of therapy, a way to pour out your feelings without fear of judgment. Over time, you'll find that this release helps you manage stress, understand your triggers, and even find closure on unresolved issues. As you unburden yourself of emotional pain, you create space for healing, growth, and new beginnings. Step 5. Gratitude journaling, cultivating a positive mindset. Gratitude journaling is a powerful practice that shifts our focus from what we lack to what we have. Regularly noting things you're grateful for rewires your brain to notice the positive aspects of your life, fostering a mindset of abundance. This simple habit can dramatically improve your mood, increase resilience, and help you approach life with a more optimistic outlook. Even on tough days, there is something to be thankful for: a supportive friend, a quiet moment, or simply the ability to start fresh each day. Practicing gratitude regularly in your journal cultivates a deeper appreciation for life's blessings, helping you to see beauty even in the mundane. Step 6. Tracking progress, witnessing your evolution. Journaling allows you to look back and witness your progress over time. You can see how much you've grown, how your perspectives have shifted, and how far you've come on your journey. Reviewing old journal entries can be both enlightening and inspiring, reminding you of your resilience and capacity for change. You might discover that challenges that once seemed overwhelming now appear as stepping stones, or that dreams you once doubted are now your reality. Tracking your evolution through journaling empowers you to appreciate your journey and encourages you to keep moving forward. Step 7. Creativity and inspiration, a space for imagination. Beyond reflection and planning, journaling can be a source of inspiration. It's a place to let your imagination run wild, to brainstorm, to sketch out ideas, and to dream without limits. When you allow yourself to be creative in your journal, you can discover new passions, ideas, or directions you hadn't considered before. Treat your journal as a blank canvas where anything is possible. Explore different forms of expression: doodles, lists, poems, or even letters to your future self. This creative freedom can reignite a sense of wonder and enthusiasm, sparking ideas that lead to further growth. The journey to flourishing. Journaling isn't just about recording your life, it's about actively shaping it. Through self-reflection, self-awareness, goal setting, emotional release, gratitude, progress tracking, and creativity, journaling becomes a tool to help you evolve and flourish. It brings clarity to our thoughts, provides guidance during tough times, and serves as a record of our personal journey. So, if you're seeking a simple yet profound practice for growth, open a notebook, pick up a pen, and begin. Let your journal be a space where you reflect, evolve, and flourish, creating a life that is true to who you are and who you aspire to become.